Genuine OEM factory part. Exact fit. Durable. Best in quality. This is not an aftermarket part. OEM. Genuine Honda 08L92-SJC-10014 receiver cover. This is the official genuine Honda parts replacement part for your vehicle. Top reviews from the United States. Fit nice and snug. No fear of it falling out of the hitch receiver. Good Honda OEM quality. Looks much better on aftermarket hitch receiver than just the exposed steel. Fits fine. It's a good tight fit and looks good. Just wish Honda would have put the cover in a plastic bag before putting it in the box so that the cardboard didn't rub against the rubber and leave scuff marks on the cover face. But that's typical Honda, who doesn't seem to go out of their way to protect products they sell and use little protection for shipping and handling abuse.